A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling on Thursday, a federal judge ordered a temporary halt to construction at the controversial immigration detention center located deep within the Florida Everglades, known colloquially as Alligator Alcatraz. This decision comes as environmental advocates and the Miccosukee tribe raised serious concerns about the facility's potential impact on sensitive wetlands and endangered species. U.S. District Judge Kathleen Williams issued the temporary restraining order during a hearing, allowing the facility to continue operating and housing detainees for U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, but prohibiting any new filling, paving, or infrastructure development for the next 14 days. The ruling follows a lawsuit filed by several environmental groups, including Friends of the Everglades and the Center for Biological Diversity, which argue that the construction of the detention center violates the National Environmental Policy Act, NEPA. NEPA mandates that federal agencies assess the environmental effects of major construction projects, a requirement the plaintiffs assert has been overlooked in this case. During the hearing, Judge Williams expressed her concerns regarding the long-term implications of any construction at the site, noting that anything built would likely remain there permanently. Florida Attorney Jesse Panucio, representing the state, argued that the construction and operation of the facility fall under state jurisdiction, suggesting that NEPA reviews may not be applicable. This assertion has been met with skepticism from the plaintiffs, who argue that since the facility is intended for federal detainees, federal oversight should apply. The detention center, which has the capacity for 2,000 detainees and is expected to eventually hold up to 4,000, was built rapidly on a 30-square-mile site that was previously an abandoned airport. Governor Ron DeSantis, who authorized the construction using emergency powers, has publicly defended the facility, insisting that its operations will continue uninterrupted despite the judicial order. Environmental advocates, however, are celebrating the judge's ruling as a crucial step towards protecting the Everglades ecosystem. Eve Samples, executive director of Friends of the Everglades, expressed relief that the court recognized the urgency of the situation, emphasizing the need to safeguard the unique and imperiled environment from further harm. The Miccosukee tribe has also voiced its support for the ruling, asserting that the detention facility threatens not only the environment, but also sacred lands integral to their culture and heritage. Tribal Chairman Talbert Cypress stated that while the order is temporary, it represents a significant stride in asserting their rights and protecting their homeland. As the legal battle continues, the implications of the ruling may have far-reaching effects on the future of immigration detention practices in Florida and the preservation of the Everglades. The next steps in the legal proceedings will be closely monitored by environmental groups and advocacy organizations, as they seek to ensure that the ecological integrity of this vital region is upheld. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.